and welcome to Gumshields2Go DIY Home Impression Kit. Over the next few minutes, I'll be holding a short tutorial to make sure you can do this easy impression at home and get it right first time. Our kits are available to buy through our website, through your club or school, and also through your dental practice, so please just inquire. We offer full video guidance. If you want a live video link with us whilst you do your mouthguard impression, this can be arranged. But over the next few minutes, you'll see how easy it is to do one from home and feel confident to be able to do it. So when you receive your kit, find a nice, clean, well-lit area to work in. Having a mirror to hand is also useful for later in the process. Empty out the contents of the kit and you will see some easy guidance instructions with step-by-step pictures and hints and tips to help you get the best impression. You'll also find the colour chart and an order form. Also enclosed is the clear bag to seal your mould into after you've taken it, and the return mailing bag with our address for return. There are 3 sizes of moulding tray for each kit, as well as 2 putties which get mixed together when you're ready to take your mould. You'll also need to have a stopwatch or a watch with a second hand to carefully time how long you're mixing. So we are just going to take a second to demonstrate how to ensure you select the correct sized impression tray. This demo model that I have of upper teeth allows me to show you where it is most important that the tray fits. The width of the back of the teeth determines the size of the tray. So long as you can fit your back teeth into the tray, you will get a good mould. Then take a little bit of time just to read through the step-by-step instructions thoroughly. This will make sure the process goes smoothly for you. So when it comes to fitting your tray and checking to see you've got the correct size, pull the cheek apart, allow the back teeth to go in between the back of the tray. Keep the lips soft and flexible and allow the tray to fit up under. It's extremely important to make sure you get putty squidging up underneath the lip at the time of the impression. We ask you to do a practice mix with a small amount of putty. This is important as the putty will set at different rates depending on the warmth of your hands and the temperature of the environment that you're in. Take pea-sized amounts of each and mix them together until there are no streaks of colour and the putty is fully blended. You'll get a feel for the material and how long it takes to start hardening. So it's time to take your mould. Wash your hands and dry them thoroughly. And this is where a mirror becomes useful, as you can use it to check that you're inserting the tray centrally. This is the time to practice how you're going to pop the tray in, lift your lip over, and then take it out. And this can be repeated a few times until you feel comfortable about the movement that you're going to do. Taking each of the putties, mix in the same way as before. This should not take longer than 30 seconds maximum. Make sure all the white is blended in with the colour. Then roll the putty into a sausage shape and fit it into the impression tray. The putty should be left slightly short of the back of the tray on both sides. Keep most of the putty at the front of the tray as shown. In front of your mirror, pull your cheek to one side and allow the tray to insert while keeping the handle central to your face and in line with your nose. Gently press the tray directly upwards so your teeth just start to press into the putty. Then lift your lips up and over the front of the tray. Press directly firmly upwards to squash the teeth fully into the putty and allow it to squish under the top lip. Check your timer and support the tray in your mouth with your thumbs. After approximately 3 minutes have elapsed, you can remove your impression tray by tipping it forwards and backwards. It'll drop out easily. You can see how much putty squeezes up underneath the lip. Don't forget, I'm a dentist and have been doing this for decades, so if your mould doesn't quite look as good as mine, don't worry. Our skilled technicians are trained to a very high standard, so they can work with most impressions we receive. Give your mould a bit of a rinse and pack into the clear Ziploc bag provided. Squeeze it tightly shut. Then, on your order form, fill in your chosen colour choices and a few personal details. Let us know if you want your name and optional mobile number included in your mouthguard. We provide this as standard. We request that you write as clearly as possible when providing us with details. Finally, enclose this with your mould in the addressed return bag. You can either leave it at our drop-off and pick-up point at our lab, or you can post it to us by the method of your choice. Please affix the appropriate postage. Seal everything over and take a well-earned sigh of relief. That's your part over. Send it off to us and leave the rest to us. Thanks for choosing Gumshields2Go.